Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to connect now. Power on the Xbox Series X and sign in with your account. Once done, open Settings General Network Settings to begin scanning for networks. Make sure you already know the Wi-Fi name and password. This saves time and avoids repeated attempts. If your router offers both 4 GHz and 5 GHz, pick the band that gives best range. Start the Add a Network or choose a network option, so the console can discover nearby Wi-Fi signals immediately. Now select your Wi-Fi SSID from the detected list and verify signal bars to avoid weak connections. Next, enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Type slowly and verify characters with the Show option to prevent mistakes. If prompted, choose either Automatic DHCP or Manual Network Settings. Use Automatic unless you need a fixed IP. Then input the static IP, gateway, and DNS in advanced settings. Make sure to save the configuration and let the console attempt to authenticate with the router. When the console shows connected, run the network connection test to confirm internet access and Xbox Live sign-in. If the test fails, restart both the Xbox and your router, then retry. Many auth problems clear after a reboot. Make sure you selected the correct band and retype the password if necessary. If issues persist, plug in a wired Ethernet cable for temporary access or change DNS to public addresses like 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. That often resolves name resolution failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.